Okay, in this video, we're going to take a look at how to remove backgrounds from many images at the same time. First, we're going to go to our asset library here. We're going to find a folder where we want to put our assets, and we're going to upload the original assets. So I'll take these images here and just drag them in. Okay, once they're uploaded, you can select one or many, or just on your keyboard hit Command A to select all. Come up here to the actions bar from the drop down, select remove background, and you will be shown these thumbnails to review which images you're removing backgrounds of. From there, hit process image to remove backgrounds from all the images. Great, and done. You will see a preview of all of the images with their backgrounds removed, and from here you can just add to library. And done. So from here, if you wish to use them in a campaign, you can do so, or you can drag, select, and just download them for uses on your desktop. Hope this was helpful. Reach out with any comments or feedback. See you soon.